go. Look at the stuff we got. Oh my god, I'm so excited.
I don't know why anyone would be interested in you doing an unboxing of this.
You are doing it, not me.
I'm not doing it. I'm opening it like a normal person. You're filming it. Sure these.
Bowls.
Oh,
No, it doesn't.
Heavy duty.
New cooker. Nice packaging.
Noticing they give you a cord.
Yeah, they're not fun. They gave you everything. Hi guys, today we're gonna use this Philips all-in-one cooker. I'm going to make some beef bone broth. So we're gonna make the beef bone broth first, and then I'm going to make some Vietnamese pho. First, I boil these bones and clean all the blood out. Then
Ryan, let's kick your line, you bitch!
okay, so that's 1 kilo beef bones, 1 onion, 2 celery sticks, 3 carrots, 1 bay leaf. Place the bones in a pot. Add cider vinegar and filtered water. Steam for 30 minutes. That's 3 liters of water. Apple cider vinegar. In the meanwhile, we're going to get everything else ready. Next, add vegetables with the bay leaf. So we put all the vegetable in. One bay leaf. Go in. Thing. Without closing the lid. Yeah, press it. Okay, and set the timer to an hour. How do I do that? Okay, cook it away. This thing heats up so fast. It's hot. Wow, look. That's so fast. Okay, now it's boiling. And it says, remove the scum from the surface. At the end of the cooking time, we're gonna close the lid and start. Here we go. Beef bone broth for 6 hours. This is my new toy, by the way. It's called Philips all-in-one cooker. You can.
Buying a lot of gadgets lately. I'm loving it.
I know, right? You can bake, you can fry, you can make skew, you can make yogurt, you can. 6 hours. Now, since we already make the beef stock. Whoa. My god, I was just picking up some herbs for my fur, and this ant fucking bite me. So painful. Broth is done. We're gonna make the beef fur. So we need 4 star almonds, garlic, 1 cinnamon stick, some chili as well, some beef, fish sauce, brown sugar. I bought this fresh rice noodle. That's mint, that's basil, 9 coriander, green onions. Let's start cooking. So place stock, stars, garlic, cinnamon. They gave us 2 in a pot, so we use the other one as well. Start in. Put this little bit in, the beef in. Then close the lid. Close the lid and seal. Meat. Pressure cooked. Okay, now that was scary. Open this. Hello. Hello. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and fish sauce. That's 1 tablespoon. Saute high and start cooking. 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, we're going to turn it off. I'll be the first one to try it. We throw this away. And to take the beef out. Okay, now who's hungry? Come here.
Because that's
Look
going
at
to
my
always
bloody
be the...
phone.
Making new friends.
It's black
No,
and
you
yellow and green.
You won't. Even if you made new friends, you find the need that you have to visit the family, like weekly, not annually.
You don't throw it in.
Some people like
would you do?
we're very family orientated. You know what I mean? We
No,
have to
others
see.
don't
Some
want
people
Tell
don't
me
give a
it's
fuck.
good.
They
Others
won't-
can't
they
stand
can
their
move
family.
away.
Look,
What's
the
wrong?
tofu's excellent.
I don't eat tofu.
Haven't even.
Try
people
this
are
one.
happy to
I
get away
guarantee
from
you'll
it.
eat it. Try one.
I don't eat tofu.
Is it
Try
already
one.
cooked?
It's
Yeah.
not like tofu. Just think of it as a potato chip.
No, dip it in your soup.